Live out here at the flying field. You can see airplane sitting there. Windy. That wind went all over us. Red Stick Flying Club. All by myself today. Required. Kind of shaky a little bit. This is the field. How the field looks. We got our little windmill sitting up there with our fluttering around up there, spinning. This is how underneath of the flight shed looks. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Field, bulletin board over there. Usually have a flag on that flagpole. You can see the field is wide open. Some houses out in the distance. It's the Red Stick RC Club in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Long-time member. Some of the stuff on our bulletin board, really not that current, but it's got all our information there. Our chapter. From the Academy of Model Aviation. That's sitting there. Let you know that this is a RC club that's associated with the AMA. We're near the levee, so we gotta concentrate. Permission document here allowing us to have our flying club over here. Around the front, you'll see some rules and regulations for the club. Probably can't see it that good. That's our logo. These are safety codes for the club set forth by the AMA, the Academy of Model Aviation. And of course, again, these are our club field and safety rules. We got ample parking for fly-ins. Pretty nice. You can set up an RV here. Tent camp. About a half a mile north of the field, we have a RV park associated with camping in the field. Just real sunny today. No one out here but me today. Reason being is I'm die hard and I'll fly in the wind.